In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Activity Timeline in Attio. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your timeline, how it works, and how to log a meeting so your team has a clear record of what happened and when. Start by opening Attio and heading to the Home area. From there, go to your records. For this walkthrough, we'll use people, but the exact same process applies to other record types like companies, deals, or users. Open any person's record to see their profile. Within the profile, locate the activity timeline. This is your chronological feed of everything that's happened with this contact: emails, meetings, calls, notes, and more, so you can quickly understand the relationship history and what's coming next. It's designed to keep context in one place so you don't have to dig through scattered notes or calendar entries. If you work with a team, this view helps everyone stay aligned because updates appear for all collaborators who have access. Let's add a meeting as our example. In the Timeline's Composer, choose the option to create a meeting. Give it a clear title that makes it easy to recognize at a glance, something like Quarterly Check-in or Project Kickoff. In the description field, include a brief agenda or talking points. Think about what your teammates will need later: the purpose, expected outcomes, and any preparation required. Short, specific summaries make the timeline far more useful when you look back. Next, set the date and time for your activity. Use the date picker to choose when this meeting will happen. For this example, set the date to June 1st, 2026. Then select a start time of 1 p.m. and an end time of 1:15 p.m. A concise 15-minute slot is perfect for quick updates or follow-ups. Double-check your time zone if you work across regions so the calendar and reminders line up correctly. When your details look good, click Create Meeting. You'll see the new meeting appear right in the activity timeline, organized by date and time. From here, you can open it later to refine the notes, capture decisions, or add action items after the call. The timeline ensures your whole team has a single source of truth, and you can repeat the same process to log other activities as needed, keeping your records complete and searchable. That's it. You went from home, into a record, found the activity timeline, added a meeting, filled in the details, set it for June 1st, 2026 from 1 p.m. to 1:15 p.m., and saved it to your timeline. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.